What's up, guys? Lionel Turner here, One Way Pressure Washing Services out here in Mira Mesa, California. It's kind of a hot day for March for us people in California. Typically we like warm, but luckily I get to work in the shade today. Doing this courtyard of this medical, I think they do medical science, some kind of science medical building. So they do research and big stuff, I guess, but area's pretty bad, man. Check this out. All black in here. Really gets no sunlight. The cool thing about it, it's so hot I get to work in the shade for the most part. It's all over here. Right here we got some of that yellowy green stuff. Gotta lay a good chemical down on this. Use the X-Jet, get a good 3%. So take it all the way over here to these walls. Not doing the rocks, just the walls. Doing the courtyard. So should be good, should be pretty easy. Let the chemical eat this up. It should eat it up pretty well. Come back with the surface cleaner, knock that out. Plus, we're going up these stairs right here and get those all taken care of, just up to the landing spot up at the top. So get these hoses rolled out, hook up the chemical, knock this bad boy out. All right, man. We got all the surface cleaning done. It sounded kind of weird. It got really windy just now, so it's time for the rinse down. It's dirt everywhere. The flow here, I mean the drainage here isn't all the best. It piles up in a couple of areas, so it's gonna be a little difficult in some spots, but we'll get it all squared away. Like that. So water has to go somewhere. We gotta make it go somewhere. It's time to get the rinse down, hit this wall, knock all that out. The stairs on the way out, wrap up, and we're done. All right, guys, all wrapped up finally. It's ended up being a little bit more of a beast than I was expecting, mainly just getting it all rinsed down and whatnot. The time you want to hit something, you got dirt from one plant or want to go to another one, and you got mildew built up right on the line. So got it all wrapped up, got that all drainage taken care of, got that taken care of. The bench looks 1,000 times better out here. I think the customer's gonna show up very, very happy. So we got it done. We tackled it. One-way pressure washing services, 760-703-9563. Give us a call. We'll take care of your exterior needs. Thank you.